What is your name?
My name is Alex.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I am not.
Do you live in a city or a village?
I live in a city.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and have breakfast.
When do you go to work?
I go to work at 9 o'clock.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 o'clock.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading books.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Where do you work?
I work in a school.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your brother's name?
His name is James.
Where does your brother live?
He lives in Canada.
Have you been to another country?
Yes, I have been to France.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rainy days.
Do you like summer?
Yes, summer is my favorite season.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go to the park on Sundays.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I love learning English.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a little French.
What time is it now?
It is 3 o'clock.
What is today's date?
Today is January 1st.
What day is it today?
It is Monday.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny and warm.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter.
Do you like holidays?
Yes, I love holidays.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I celebrate my birthday every year.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in May.
Do you go to parties?
Yes, I go to parties sometimes.
Do you walk to work?
No, I take the bus to work.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I like walking in the park.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I sleep at 10 o'clock every night.
Do you celebrate New Year?
Yes, I celebrate New Year with my family.
Do you order food online?
Yes, I sometimes order food online.
Do you write in a diary?
Yes, I write in my diary every night.
Do you dream while sleeping?
Yes, I often dream when I sleep.
Are you free on Sunday?
Yes, I am free on Sunday.
Are you busy today?
No, I'm not busy today.
Are you tired now?
Yes, I'm a little tired.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready to go.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I'm at home now.
Are you at work?
No, I'm not at work.
Are you in the office?
Yes, I'm in the office.
Are you feeling cold?
Yes, I'm feeling a bit cold.
Are you sad?
No, I'm not sad.
Can you help me with this?
Yes, I can help you.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I can speak slowly.
Can you write your name here?
Yes, I can write it.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm okay.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know how to cook.
Where do you want to travel next?
I want to travel to Paris.
What do you bring to work?
I bring my laptop and lunch.
What do you usually wear to work?
I wear formal clothes.
Can you meet me at 5 p.m.?
Yes, I can meet you at 5.
Can you call me later?
Yes, I'll call you tonight.
Can you wait for me?
Yes, I'll wait for you here.
Can you go shopping with me?
Yes, let's go together.
Can you explain this to me?
Yes, I'll explain it now.
Can you come to my house?
Yes, I can come tomorrow.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you wake up late on weekends?
Yes, I wake up at 9 a.m.
Can you tell me your address?
Yes, I live on Main Street.
Can you pick me up at 6 p.m.?
Yes, I'll pick you up.
Can you lend me a pen?
Yes, here you go.
Can you walk with me to the station?
Yes, let's go together.
Can you fix this for me?
Yes, I'll try to fix it.
Can you tell me your phone number?
Yes, it's 123-456-7890.
Can you send me an email?
Yes, I'll send it now.
Can you come to the party?
Yes, I'll be there.
Can you play a game with me?
Yes, let's play now.
Can you join me for lunch?
Yes, I'd love to.
Can you bring me some water?
Sure, I'll get it for you.
Can you close the door?
Yes, I'll close it.
Can you turn off the light?
Yes, I'll turn it off.
Can you wait for me here?
Yes, I'll wait for you.
Can you tell me the way to the station?
Yes, go straight and turn right.
Can you speak louder?
Yes, I'll speak louder.
Can you come early tomorrow?
Yes, I'll come early.
Can you share your book with me?
Yes, you can use my book.
Do you help your neighbors?
Yes, we help each other.
Do you work late?
No, I finish work at 5 p.m.
Can you carry this bag?
Sure, I'll carry it for you.
Can you clean the table?
Yes, I'll clean it now.
Can you come to my house?
Yes, I'll come this evening.
What do you take with you to work?
I take my bag, phone, and lunchbox.
Are your parents at home?
Yes, they're in the living room.
Is this your phone?
No, it's not mine.
Is it easy to learn English?
Yes, it's easy if you practice.
Is the food delicious?
Yes, it's very tasty.
Is your house big?
No, it's small but comfortable.
Is the bus late today?
Yes, it's 10 minutes late.
Is the shop open now?
Yes, it's open until 9 p.m.
Are your friends coming over?
Yes, they'll be here soon.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!